In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if microphone not working on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to check out the microphone settings. To do that we need to head over to Settings, then scroll down to Privacy and Security. That's where you can easily find microphone, and once we get into microphone settings we need to ensure that it configured properly. I mean that all the toggle buttons next to applications in which you would like to use the microphone or in which the microphone is currently not working, all of these toggle buttons should be turned on. Let's say if microphone doesn't work on a Facebook app, ensure that the toggle next to the app turned on. Once it is done, head over back to Settings, then get into Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restrictions. If we scroll down a bit, we can easily find microphone settings here. First off, we need to make sure that it is set to allow changes here at the top, and in the same way check out that all the toggles next to app using microphone are turned on. If for some reason that didn't help you, you can try to reboot your device. In some cases, a simple reboot can solve your microphone problems. To do that, all we have to do is just long press at the same time volume up button and power button, and then hold them for a couple of seconds until that screen brings up. And then all we have to do is just drag this slider to the very right, and that will turn off your device. Then you need to wait for maybe 10 seconds or something around that, and then just long press side button to turn your device on, and then check if it helps you or not. If for some reason that doesn't help you, I got another solution for you, and the solution is to reset your device's settings to their defaults. To do that, we need to head over to Settings, then General, scroll down to the very bottom, and then tap at Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap at Reset, and then select Reset All Settings. The only way to reset microphone settings is to reset all the settings. There is no separate option to reset just microphone settings, unfortunately. Keep in mind that this will remove some settings on your device, such as network settings, all the stored Wi-Fi passwords, for instance, and also it will remove payment cards, so you have to add them later on manually. After you resetted all the settings, you can write down in the comments below if it helps you or not. If this video helps you guys, please don't forget to hit the like button.